So hello friends, myself Om and you are watching the YouTube channel Technical Om. Today I will tell you the specifications of Redmi Note 10 Pro. The specifications of Redmi Note 10 Pro are Snapdragon 765G, 5100 mAh battery, 6.7 inches Full HD Plus display, 32 megapixel front camera, 64 plus 8 plus 5 plus 5 megapixel quad camera setup, fast charging, Android version 10. The Redmi Note 10 Pro will come in two storage variants, 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage and 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage. These are some more details of front and rear camera of Redmi Note 10 Pro. The Redmi Note 10 Pro will come in three color variants, rainbow, black and blue. This is the look of Redmi Note 10 Pro from the front side. This is the look of Redmi Note 10 Pro from the back side. The launch date of Redmi Note 10 Pro is not confirmed, but it will launch in first or second week of November. The expected price of Redmi Note 10 Pro for the 6GB RAM plus 128GB variant should be 19,499 and for the 8GB RAM 128GB variant 21,499.
This is the end of today's video. If you like the video, please click on the like button. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.